Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'll be showing you my simple, very simple wash day routine for my short fussy hair. If it's something you'd love to see, keep watching this video. The first thing I do before I start washing my hair is to pre-pull my hair. And when I say pre-pull basically means detangling your hair with using an oil. Yeah. So before I do that, I like to spray water on my hair because I don't want to put oil on dry hair. For this pre-pull, I'm going to be using coconut oil because that's one of my favorite oil. Yes, I'm using coconut oil for this. I'm just going to rub it round my hair, rub it in, let it sit in very well, and then I start using my finger to detangle. Yes, you can use as much as you want because at the end of the day, you're going to wash it out. So I just use as much coconut oil as I can and detangle. If you saw my previous video, you would know I did finger coils and I used a lot of gel. So I really need this detangler. I need this people. I need to detangle my hair so well so I don't lose any hair. The next thing I did was to clarify my scalp with this kaolin clay mask, and I dropped a tutorial on how to make this kaolin clay mask as well as its numerous benefits in my previous video, so you can go check out that if you have not seen it. So I used the kaolin clay mask to like clarify my scalp, to make my scalp like clean, very clean. And this kaolin clay mask, like I said before, also helps for hair growth. It helps to kick against dandruff, prevent your hair from dandruff and all that. So it's actually very important. I like using clay marks. It's something you can use regularly if you want. And guess what? It's also very good for the face. It can act as a good exfoliator for your face. So the remaining one, I just use it to scrub and rub my face to give me that glow and shine that I need. How great can it be to have two in one product? So this is me washing it out. I left it on my hair for about 15 minutes, yes, and then I washed it out. Yeah, enjoy my washing. Oh, so refreshing. This is so refreshing. So from washing my hair proper, I use Miracle shampoo, and this shampoo, guys, is very affordable. I got this shampoo for 1,000 naira. That's less than $2. It's actually a very good shampoo. It's good for natural hair. Its ingredients are wonderful, and again, it's affordable. So I use the shampoo and the conditioner. Miracle product. You can get it if you're looking for something that is affordable. So I just go in with the shampoo. And guys, the beautiful thing. This is actually my first wash day since I did my big chop. And the beautiful thing about this wash day is that it's so different from before because it's easy to wash my hair now. Very easy. I just put my shampoo and it's, you will know what I mean. For those of you that have big natural hair, you know what I mean. It's very difficult to wash, but it was so easy. So I just went in again with another shampoo, another set of washing. Yes, just to make sure it's very clean because of the kaolin clay marks I put. So I'm washing the hair. Oh, it feels so good. Like it's so refreshing. Yes, after washing the hair, this is me trying to enjoy my water. Water is life, they say. So after washing my hair thoroughly, I went in with this conditioner. So Miracle, I don't think they have any other type of conditioner. They just have leave-in conditioner. So I use leave-in conditioner. I was actually using this before I cut my hair long time ago. So I just went back to start using it. And so I put in the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and just to wash out the shampoo, where I decided to wash out the leave-in conditioner. Normally, I'm not supposed to wash out leave-in conditioner, but for the first one I put, I decided to wash it out. And then after washing, I applied it again as the leave-in conditioner it is. So I just applied it into my hair to, you you know the work of leave-in conditioner basically, to make your hair soft, to give your hair that appropriate moisture that it needs, because your hair is not supposed to be dry after washing. So I just applied it. This is me applying it. Yes, this is so cute. Teeny weeny afro. So I waited for it to like dry off a little bit. And this is me after drying off. You can see the white color. Everything is gone. It's all gone. And I just went in with my shea butter and my coconut oil to rub my hair to further moisturize it. I like this my hair routine. It's very affordable and very good. So you don't need to break the bank to take care of your natural hair. Let this be an advice. Take it as an advice. So I just went in with my shea butter and my coconut oil just to, I use it to massage my scalp. And you know, massaging your scalp is very good. It helps to promote blood flow around your scalp, and blood flow definitely means, it obviously means better hair growth. So blood flow equals to hair growth. So when you're putting product on your hair, just learn to massage it in. So after massaging, I decided to comb because it was already soft as at this time. So I decided to just comb it to just make me look good. And I'm already ready to make my next hair. I'm saying next hair, my first hair actually. What do you guys think I should make? Let me know. I need teeny weeny afro hairstyle ideas to make. Thank you very much. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. If you love this video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Very important. My video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. It may be helpful to others and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.